Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Illenium appearance to our server. So firstly just go to your browser and then write Illenium appearance file, like it just shows up. Just click it and go to this GitHub link, just click it and then click for plus 44 releases. So let's just download this one. Also, you shouldn't download this because this is test 1. So it's just download it, just open it. We can click here. Now we need to open our server files. Just open your server files, then tx data, cubicolor, resources, and then open your qb file. Then delete your qb clothing, apartments, also houses. Once you delete those, go to back to resources and then go to standalone. You do not need to copy those, just drag it here, it will copy it. So it's done, we can just close it. Then we need to open our exam, Apache and MySQL. And when do not crash. So we just open our datas and our header SQL and server can read their data. So just open Illenium appearance, then SQL, then firstly click player skins. Then when you open it, just click open. And then we need to delete our player skins data. And then player outfits data. We should just delete those, and then we need to press this button to create a new data, and then we can close. Next, we should open our player outfits to create a new data. Just click here, open again, and then just click here to create a new data. Like when you click it, player skin just claimed. So close it, then player outfit codes, then this, and then we need to just do it. Sorry, just open here again. Lastly, creating this data. Once it's done, just go back to your resources, then server. We need to open our server so our data are open to read. So just click F and then open our server. When we are opening our server, we need to go localhost, like to see our panel. So I'm going to suggest wait. Also, you can close the tab. So our TX admin is going to open, and it's opening. So we need to just write our information, like just write your password. You do not need to write anything to here, and then just log in. So we should go to Live Console, and as you see, our server is opening. It could give a crash like this because we did not download it like our OX lib. Let me just check it. Yeah, there isn't any OX files, so we need to open a new tab and then download OX lib file. Once you write it, you should need to go this site and then press here to releases and then just download this. So while it's downloading, just open here and then we need to create a file and make the name this, like OX, and then just open it, then open our OX lib, and just drag it here. While it's scoping, also, I recommend you guys to download this, and also I'm going to download it now. Also, OX targets the best targets in the Fivem world, like I haven't seen. So just click here, and then also we can download the OX file system. Like, why not? Also, I'm going to download this OX inventory in another video, also the door lock. So that's all I'm going to say. Then click here, the OX field, and then releases. Then download the least one, latest. Then open our OX file, and then open this and this. So once you uh, open here, and close OX lib tab. So just open here and then drag it here. We're going to rename it. Then close it and rename it to OX fill. And then also, let me just check its name. Just drag it. We do not need to change its name. Just wait, drag, just close this. And then let's have a check. The copying is finished. Just restart your server to see our new files. Also, you can now delete the QB targets. Let's just delete it. QB and then QB targets. So let's delete it and restart our server again. It's going really good for now. And it's open. And then we can open our Fivem. Also, I'll show you how to create a envelope file and a clothing file. Also, you guys wanted to download some cars to our server, like I can understand that, and also you guys can think we need a phone script, like where are we going to use our base phone? That's not pretty good, so I'm going to show it as well. So let's just connect, and it's connecting. Also, if you wanted to change your logo, you can just use an AI to create a new logo. Like, it's not that hard for a base server. That's a pretty good thing. And I'm going to close this, and then make this, and then I'm just going to close this audio track. Also, if you guys wanted to anything to add to your server, just write comments below this video. Write a comment so that I can make a video upon that comment. And when you press your F8 button, there are no crashes or bugs, as you can see, because we made it perfectly, and our percentage is 4. That's a thing that is not any crash. Like, we should just wait for a few seconds. Also, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends or your family that they can watch and learn how to make a server. Like, we can just close our F8 panel. Also, for making a Python server, you need to own a GTA, which is licensed by Rockstar, Epic, or Steam. Sorry, because you need to have a licensed GTA to use Fivem, so that's why you need a GTA. I guess you have GTA as licensed. If you do not have, just buy it, because you need it for this server, and you can just play it as a story mode. You can also download there's some modes too. Also, you can again check your F8 panel. There isn't any crash, so you're going to just select our character to get into world. So our character comes, so I'm clicking and just click to last location and then just confirm it to spawn. So as we spawned, nothing changed to our character, like we need to wait to characters come. Like, also, I'm going to show you what changed. I'm going to click it. I'm going to admin, player management, and then so our clothing menu is here. So we need to change our pets. So MP and NPM free modes. So we should make our character again because we changed our clothing menu. So I'm going to make it like this, this. Also, I'm going to make his eyebrow like this, not like this, this. Yes. So the new clothing menu looks more modern, also more useful. Like you can see and modify everything more easily. I like this. So let's change his clothes. I'm going to make this again. Yes, it's here. So let's just make the shoes. This looks good, and and we need to make this one, and then we finished it. So I'm going to go in clothing shop, and then I'm going to teleport. So where was it? Oh, not here. So when we come to our clothing store, our clothing menu is changed. So we can save our outfits from here. We can change our, if we save, like, let's just save it casual clothes. So when we make it, it also takes money because there's a price for the clothing store, but that doesn't matter because we have unlimited money because we are admin. Like we can do our clothes like this and money, sorry for new money, or ID, cash, and like we can make it unlimited. Like we have 1 billion money, maybe. So when we make this, we can change it. Also, when we buy something, again, we can make it another outfit. Also, we can overwrite to that clothes. Like, let's make this. This looks good. So let's just save it. Also, now we can, when we click this, when we click this again, we'll overwrite this clothing data. So I do not want it. I'm going to right here, leather, jacket, outfit. It's saved. So the Illenium appearance is like this. I showed it in installation from the beginning. You can see, and launch it to your server if you want. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and like. Also, you can write some comments that we wish you like to see in this channel. Thanks.